So today I wanted to make a video about this because I just got it at Best Buy, and yesterday I decided out for I'm not sure how long. I'm just gonna try to get everything except food on sale and stuff. And the MSRP is $29.99 and this is $17.99. So I decided why not, because it came with this Pokeball and 5 booster packs, figure of Pikachu and Eevee, and 2 cards. And for $17.99, that seems pretty good. And I wonder what cards, booster packs are in here. I like Pokemon, so I'll definitely use the Pokeball to store all my favorite cards. Like, if I ever buy more packs, or when I do go online to buy singles of cards I like, they'll be put in here, so I'll always have excuse me, my favorite cards. Excuse me. I was at Target also because I was buying some Pepsi Cola, and this I'm pretty sure is, I don't know, I saw this video of this person opening it up, and it was 6 months ago, so this must be pretty old and stuff. But I saw a tin version, because it seems like, I'm not sure if it's newer than this. There's this version where it's a metal tin. It's a little smaller than this. I shook it. There was a coin. It had to have some packs in it. And I forget the price, but okay, I guess we'll start with this. This is packaged pretty nicely. Pikachu. Pikachu's definitely one of my ones. So I'll probably put these both in here, and probably the cards I get. I'm gonna see if I could find online my favorite Pikachu artwork and my favorite Eevee artwork. The figure of the two looks a little weird. I don't know, their eyes, but it's neat. Pokémon 2018. So yeah, this was sometime last year. But this is cool. Okay. Little figure. I might give it to my sister. She likes Pokemon too. Put those two there. I like this. It's durable plastic, unlike the metal. Like on the bottom, it was scraped and it just had a printed "Made in China." Wish Pokemon was made here. I'm trying to get only US products. Okay. So there's a basic code. This gives you, I assume, the Pikachu and Eevee, these 2 cards right here. I assume. Now I question, you might be able to sleeve them if you get super fitting sleeves. I question, because the card, I'm not sure if they need to be leaning or not, because these are all squished and stuff. Let me see. I'll test with some cards I have, just a big stack. Sun and Moon Lost Thunder, Sun and Moon Lost Thunder, Sun and Moon Celestial Storm, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, X and Y Steam Siege. Okay, so we get 50 cards. These neat Pokeball too. Not sure what the holes on top are for. Okay, so we're opening this one first. This is pretty good for $17.99. 5 packs. Because, let's see, 4, just round it up, times 5, 20. And we're already getting other stuff. So this is really good for the price I got it at. So, okay. Trico. I'm more of a person who likes, like, even though this is just a common stuff, I like this card already. Trico, Pikipek, Scyther, Stunfisk, Chikorita. Okay, we got a Gramble, Rimobee, Energy, Fairy Charm, Silcoon, and Faba. Okay, I say the best card there was Trico. Next, we're opening up the same thing with a Lugia on the front. I'm later gonna put up the video after I'm done testing out the speaker and stuff, comparing it to this other one I have, using the mice for a while. Okay. Oh, okay, here we go. And a Low and Diglett. Not too. Another different Chikorita. Ooh, Pachirisu. Hoping. Ooh, Lusamine. Cool. Ooh, Ho-Oh. Energy. Kulava. Pop-Tar and Counterdane. I would say the trainer, Lusamine. That's cool. Okay. Next, Celestial Storm with Rayquaza on it. I wonder if there are any Sylveons in these sets. Okay, here we go. Wait. Okay. Love Disc, Spinarak, Torchic, Slackoth, Shuppet, Fisherman. Ooh, Deoxys in like more defense mode. Energy, Nuzleaf, TV Reporter, Dunsparce. I feel Spinarak. Like, I've been wanting to write a fan. Okay, here's the next one. Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. I've been writing a fan fiction starting, like, what if I was Ash? So then, I'll go from, like, a way different path. Let's see, I feel like Pikachu would be my starter. I would catch other Pokemons. Like, switch out. Because there are Pokemons I like. Hoot, Sandygast, Rhyhorn, Marill, Caterpie. Oh, another Marill. Heracross, Energy, Sophocles, Rimobee, Wishful Baton. I'll definitely get Trico, Grovyle, Sceptile. I would definitely have an Eevee on my team. I would definitely have a Sylveon. Definitely have my Gibble evolve. This one's Steam Engine XY. Okay. Nosepass, Nidoran, Boy, Litleo, Sneasel, Marill, Clang. Whoa, I don't know this one. Avalugg. Rapidash, Special Charge. Oh, I saw him. He had a different one. Like, the YouTuber I saw, he had like a fire and a grass type or something. What kind of cards are these? I like that this is fairy and water, blue and pink. That's interesting. Oh, I don't know why Azumarill is yellow, but that's cool. So, yep. Thanks for watching this opening.